Blah blah blabina.
Hello and welcome to my craft studio. I love learning about animals, but I love creating animals out of paper and cardboard and using scissors and paints and pom-poms. Oops. Today we are going to create something very special. Do you have a toilet paper at home? You do? That's good, because you will need it to create this lion portrait. To make a lion portrait, you need a pencil, round brush, paintbrush, black marker, paints, white, yellow, orange and red. You also need glue, black pom-pom, 2 googly eyes, a bowl, 2 toilet paper rolls and scissors to cut your cardboard. I had pizza last night, so I am using my pizza box.
Blabina, what are you doing? Ah,
I am stuck.
you need toilet paper roll without the toilet paper.
Oops. First, let's create lion's head. Place your bowl upside down on the piece of cardboard paper and using a pencil, trace around the bowl's mouth to make a circle. Mix white and yellow paint first, then color the circle in using the paintbrush. Let it dry. Create a paint palette using the rest of the cardboard. Squeeze out orange, red and yellow. Now the lion's head is dry. We can start making lion's mane. Dip the toilet paper roll into the red paint and stamp it around the circle, leaving some space in between. Fill in the empty spaces with orange and yellow. Use the other side of toilet paper roll for orange and new toilet paper roll for yellow. Dip the round sponge into the yellow paint and make 2 stamps on either side of lion's head. Using the glue, stick on the googly eyes. Let's not forget about his nose. To finish our lion portrait, we need to draw 2 half circles underneath his nose. And we are done. Well done, everyone! Do you think you can make your own? Maybe with the help of a grown-up. Oh, and in case no one told you today, don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time! Blah blah blabina, blah blah blabina, blah 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 blabina, blabina.